Hey guys, and welcome back to another Blizzard unboxing. This time we have the Way of the Panda, the Dream Edition. This deck is by Kimberly M. My husband got me this deck for Christmas. It's illustrated by Celia Libelle. I probably butchered her last name, I'm not quite sure. We're obsessed with pandas in this house. So we call the house the Panda Sanctuary. We call our cars PTUs, Panda Transportation Units. We call our kids the small panda and the tiny panda. And we are going to currently have a third panda, that's so crazy to me. So we're super into pandas, and like for Christmas and holidays we get a lot of panda stuff, like from blow up yard panda decorations to my husband's got panda shirts to I've gotten panda jewelry. We are just all about pandas. So this deck couldn't be more perfect. I've seen different unboxings of it. It's adorable and I can't wait to walk through it with you guys. Again, so it's not just me breathing and pregnancy coughing. I will have my husband put some music behind this as I just flip through this deck. This is also, I believe, a Rider-Waite based deck. I'll look that up to make sure, but I think it is. So let me just switch around and then we will walk through this. Okay, so this is the Way of the Panda Tarot. This is the bag that it comes in. And it came with a thank you card from the illustrator and just where you can see more of her work. And then this is so cute. Thank you for adopting us. Okay. The little black and white book. That's so cute. Once Upon a Panda. Okay, and then here it kind of breaks down tarot structure. Okay, and so then instead of upright and reversals, it has light and shadow attributes. This is a nice book. That's a neat way of setting it up. Okay. All right. Okay, so then from the creator, and the artist. So these ones aren't going to be in order because I did take them out of the box on Christmas Day just to flip through them. So they've been shuffled, which the cardstock, it's so slick. They move great. They feel great. They're a really good quality card. This is my favorite card. This is gorgeous. I wish I had a big painting of this. I would hang it up in my living room. So that was the, okay, so this is the Way of the Panda Dream Edition by Kimberly Tsan. If you want your own pandas to adopt, I will put a link to her website down below. And it's still blizzarding, so we better do another unboxing. We'll just keep unboxing as it blizzards. Okay, I will see you guys next time. The back of these cards are also gorgeous. They're very slick. And I should tell you, since our family continues to grow, my husband was wondering what a group of pandas was. So if he had a herd or a growing flock of pandas, we looked it up online, and a group of pandas is called an embarrassment. An embarrassment of pandas. And now we'll never live that down, and my husband just thinks that's the greatest thing in the whole world. So he often updates his Facebook status like, going out with my embarrassment of pandas, hauling around my embarrassment of pandas. And it's the actual term. They're either called a bamboo of pandas or an embarrassment of pandas. So that's attractive.